Now I'm going to do your hair growth analysis, which tells me your hair growth ability. Cosmetology books misled me to believe that we only get one strand per pore. That's not true, as you are about to see. So let's go in close, and we're going to find pores that are producing more than one strand. Like right here. This pore right here, this one individualized pore, you've got two strands. Oh, you got three.
Oh.
There we go. My tool is now behind it. And you can see there that you've got, wow, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
Coming out of this pore from down here. And as you can see in this area, this pore has more than one strand, this pore has more than one strand, this pore, this pore, this pore. So your hair